Big M Park, located on the western part of Table Rock Lake, as shown here in red, is about 30 minutes from Cassville, Missouri, or Eureka Springs, Arkansas, and about an hour from Branson, Missouri. Join us as we drive through the property, and be sure to stay till the end for an animated map to show you the easiest way to get here. If you like camping away from crowds and cities, Big M Park may be the hidden gem just for you. While there is no easy way to get here, with the roads being crooked and narrow, once you get here, this property offers an abundance of outdoor activities and amenities for everyone to enjoy. Whether you prefer RV camping or pitching a tent under the starry sky, Big M Park has got you covered from May through September. With 61 camping spots available and 14-night maximum stay, you'll find the perfect spot to call your home away from home. For those of you who are seeking aquatic adventures, Big M Park boasts a well-equipped marina that's perfect for boating enthusiasts. There is plenty of parking at the marina, along with a boat ramp and boat slips, allowing you to launch and store your boat without worry. You will find a general store at the marina that has almost everything you could imagine. From hand-dipped ice creams to fishing licenses to groceries, this place is well stocked for all your needs. Even though websites say the park is big rig friendly, I wouldn't want to try it in rigs larger than 30 feet due to some of the areas being very tight to maneuver. While this park may be a ways off the beaten path, you can immerse yourself in the beauty of nature, forge unforgettable memories, and embrace the tranquility. But Big M Park isn't just about camping. It's a place where endless adventures await. When it comes to amenities, Big M Park goes above and beyond to ensure a comfortable stay. Be sure to have your National Parks Pass in hand to get free access to the day use areas, as well as 50% off camping fees. Please take a moment to give us a thumbs up if you are finding this video to be helpful. Leave a comment if you have ever stayed or would like to in the future, then subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss any of our videos. It's free and it will let us know that we are doing something helpful for others. The park offers fantastic day use areas where families and friends can gather for picnics, barbecues, and quality time in the great outdoors. Kids of all ages will love playing on the playgrounds and swimming in the crystal clear water. The campground features well-maintained flushable restrooms and hot showers, and vault toilets are strategically placed throughout the park, making sure all campers have easy access to these essential facilities. While there is no easy or straight way to get here, we hope these maps will show you the easiest routes. From Cassville, Missouri, take Highway 112, approximately 7 miles, to Roaring River State Park. Turn left onto Highway F and travel 5 miles, then turn left onto Highway 86. In a few hundred feet, turn right onto State Highway E and go 5 miles. Next, turn right onto State Highway M, and the Big M Park entrance will be approximately 2 miles ahead. Or, if you are coming from Highway 65 near Branson, take Highway 86 west for 37 miles. Turn right on State Highway E, then go 5 miles. Turn right on State Highway M, and the park entrance will be approximately 2 miles ahead. Thank you for spending some time with us today. We hope this video has been helpful for you and your family. Be sure to check out our other videos shown here and tell your friends and family about us. We wish you safe travels, and remember, have fun, let's travel!